Good morning, students. This is me, Dr. Shikha Sharma, lecturer in English at Government Girls College, Bara. Today, I'm going to talk about the essay "In Praise of Ignorance," written by Hilary Belloc. In this essay, "In Praise of Ignorance," Belloc writes in a delightful manner about ignorance. What is ignorance? Ignorance means अज्ञानता. In praise of ignorance, अज्ञानता की प्रशंसा में. He begins this essay by saying that ignorance rules mankind. Our field of knowledge is very small compared to the vast ocean field of our ignorance. We know really nothing even but about those things which we believe are familiar things. He says that we are almost unaware of our knowledge. We are ignored. Okay, if we are ignorance of anything, we just become very happy. Okay, he wants to say that if we are ignorance of anything, we are happy. If we know that what is about to what is about to happen tomorrow, we will not be happy. So if we are ignorance of anything, we are not afraid of anything else. Okay, our ignorance about them is much more than our knowledge. He says that it is good to become conscious of our ignorance because knowledge of our ignorance is the first step towards learning. He says that most people regard the examination system as a meanness. Hilary Belloc says that there is one good thing about examinations. It reveals to us our ignorance of many of the things which are supposed to know. Belloc humorously states that ignorance has a spiritual attribute because it has a spiritual merit. It floods the mind with happiness. He says that ignorance is a very draught of beatitude. In Belloc's views, all our loves, our hero worships, all our dramas, all our hopes of peace and future, and our vision of fortune are the fruits of ignorance. Often we are happy only because we don't know how others are thinking about us. Okay, we are ignorance about the thoughts of others, what they think about us. We think that they are friendly to us and they have love and respect for us, but in fact, it is not true. Okay, they just show something and they are something else. Okay, they show something. Okay, but they feel, but they think something else. In fact, they just tolerate us. Okay, they have many complaints against us, but they don't express their real feelings in our presence. He says it means we don't know what other thinks about us. If we come to know that what they are thinking about us, we become very sad. So we are ignorant, completely ignore. We are completely ignore what they think about their thinking, about the thinking of other people, what they think about us. Okay, and they are ignorance of our thinking what we think about them. So there is ignorance. This knowledge of ignorance makes us happy. Okay. Belloc says that in comparison to our knowledge, our ignorance is vast, but ignorance keeps us happy. Okay, we look at a beautiful landscape, it makes us happy. Okay, the charm of the beauty attracts us. Okay, but if we knew the wicked people living there, in our happiness would disappear. We would not be happy if we come to know that the people in the valley who are living in the valley are not good. Okay, the scene is very beautiful, but the situation is not good. The people who are living there are not good. Okay, so we will not be happy. This thought will make us unhappy. We depart from our friends with the thought of their love and affection for us. But if we knew their real thoughts and views about us, they would make us sad. Okay, We think that these friends have good thoughts about us. Actually, what they think about us, we don't know. Okay, but when if we come to know the reality, the real thought of their real thoughts, we become very sad, and our happiness becomes turns into sadness. Okay, we become very sad to think about the real feelings, the real thoughts of our friends. We think that superficially they always pretend to be very good, that they are very good and they are well wisher of us, but actually they are not so, because they are poker faced. They do something and something else, and they show something else. Okay, their feelings and their attitude or their behavior towards us is not actual behavior. Okay, okay, they do something else and they show something else and they say something else. Okay, what is the actual feelings of theirs is not shown, their actual feelings is not shown to us. We face great difficulties and situations bravely only because we do not know what would happen in future. Okay, he says that what is going to be tomorrow. Okay, what is going to be happen tomorrow. We are absolutely unaware of this. We don't know what is going to be happen tomorrow. If we come to know, oh, it will definitely spoil our life, because we live our life because we are ignorant, absolutely ignorant what is about to happen tomorrow. If we come to know, we become very unhappy. If there is happiness, we will become happy. If there is sadness, we will become very sad. So this ignorance of happening something in future makes us very happy. Okay, because we are unaware, or because we are not afraid of anything else. Okay, we are living today, and okay, what will be tomorrow, nobody knows. Okay, the ignorance of the future happening makes us to do adventurous deed. Okay, if we come to know that tomorrow we will die or anything, okay, and tomorrow will happen something wrong, so we become very sad, and the deed of our today will be affected. We would not do anything else that about thinking of the happening of tomorrow. So if we knew the results of adventurous deeds, we would not face the danger. Okay, if we come to know that what would be the consequences of our deed, then if we come to know the consequences, it will make us absolutely dull. We would not be active, that we will not try to do anything else, to do any adventurous or exciting things. So this is the knowledge of, this is the ignorance, completely lack of knowledge, or the ignorance which make us happy, or which stimulate us to do something adventurous or something excited. In this way, ignorance has many advantages in life. Okay, there are many advantages. Hilary Balak here describes the advantages of being ignored. Okay, it keeps us happy. It makes us to do brave deeds or brave things. Balak gives an interesting example of a man who was proud of his happy and successful life. He was like he in a luncheon. Actually, he gives a very interesting example. He tells us that a man, okay, in a luncheon, a man told the writer that he was very happy, or he was very deeply satisfied with his life. Okay, because he was unaware, because he was ignorant of his upcoming incident. Okay, so within 24 hours he got wounded in a car accident. Okay, and after that his ignorance of the coming accident kept him happy. Okay, but after that, as he got wounded in a car accident, his jaw was broken, and now he would never boast of his happiness. He would never enjoy his happiness, because on this ignorance of the coming accident kept him happy. If he if he knew this incident previously, he would not be happy as he was in his luncheon. His ignorance of the coming accident kept him happy. Thus, ignorance brings in happiness. Thus, we can say that ignorance makes us happy. Balak says that It is by ignorance alone that we move ahead through the rough seas of this our mortal life. It is only because of ignorance that we move ahead. If we knew that what is going, if we know that what is about to be tomorrow, what is about to happen tomorrow, okay, or what is about to happen today after some time, so it will not make us happy. Okay, then we will become very scared, or we will become afraid of this incident, of upcoming incident. So it is only because of ignorance that we live our life happily. In this essay, he tells us about the merit, okay, of the being ignorant. Okay, in praise of ignorance, he talks about the praise of ignorance. तो वो अपनी ignorance की प्रशंसा के बारे में बताता है कि a person who is totally ignorance of his इंसिडेंसेस ऑफ लाइफ, यदि वो अपनी लाइफ की जो इंसिडेंसेस हैं, घटनाएं हैं, जो अपकमिंग इंसिडेंसेस हैं, जो आने वाली घटनाएं हैं, उनके बारे में यदि वो बिल्कुल अज्ञान रहता है, उसके बारे में उसे कोई नॉलेज नहीं होती है, तो वो बहुत खुश होता है. ओके, यदि उसे पहले ही पता चल जाता है, ओके, ही वुड नॉट बी हैप्पी, तो वो कभी खुश नहीं रह पाएगा. और जो ही विल नॉट लिव हिज लाइफ हैप्पीली, तो वो अपने जीवन को भी हैप्पीली, खुशी से नहीं जी पाएगा, क्योंकि वो उसी थॉट को लेकर माइंड में लेकर घूमता रहेगा, और वही थॉट उसको बार बार परेशान करता रहेगा, पजल्ड करता रहेगा कि मेरे साथ ये होने वाला है, होने वाला है. तो इस तरह से उस परेशानी को लेकर वो अपनी लाइफ में कभी भी खुश नहीं हो पाएगा. इसलिए वो हिलेरी ब्लेक इसलिए कहता है कि इन प्रेज ऑफ इग्नोरेंस, कि ये इग्नोरेंस है, अज्ञानता ही है जो हमें खुश रखती है, या जो हमें जीने का एक राह दिखाती है, या वो एक मार्ग